First things first, you need to redeem your Apple gift card to your Apple account. Open the App Store app. Look for your profile icon. Usually, it's in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. On the account screen, you'll see a button that says Redeem Gift Card or Code. Tap on that button. You might be prompted to use your camera to scan the gift card code. If not, or if you prefer, tap the You can also enter your code manually option. Now, carefully enter the 16-digit code printed on the back of your Apple gift card. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any errors. Then tap Redeem in the top right corner. You should now see a confirmation message that the gift card has been successfully redeemed and the funds have been added to your Apple ID balance. Tap Done. Alright, now it's time to head over to Brawl Stars. Open the Brawl Stars app on your device. Navigate to the shop within Brawl Stars. This is where you'll find all the cool offers and items you can purchase. Find the Gems, Brawl Pass, or any offer you want to buy. Tap on the price to initiate the purchase. A pop-up from Apple will appear, asking you to confirm the purchase. It will show your Apple ID balance, including the funds you redeemed from your Apple gift card. Tap Buy to complete the transaction. You may be prompted to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to finalize the purchase. And that's it. Your purchase should be successful, and your Gems, Brawl Pass, or other item will be added to your Brawl Stars account. Now go dominate those matches.